If you're in real estate and want an easy way to connect potential buyers with your listings, Unicode might be the tool you're looking for. But is it really the best option? Stick around because not only will I show you how to use Unicode for real estate listings in a quick, no fluff guide, but I'll also share some better alternatives that give you more value and an exclusive free trial for those at the end. So let's get into it. First up, what is Unicode and how does it work for real estate listings? Unicode is a QR code generator that lets you create dynamic QR codes, meaning you can update the destination without reprinting the code. This is huge for real estate agents because you can put a QR code on signs, flyers, or even business cards, and when scanned, it takes potential buyers directly to the latest listing page, virtual tour, or contact form. Next, setting it up is straightforward. You log into Unicode, choose the type of QR code you want, typically a URL or a landing page, then customize it with your branding, colors, and logo. Once generated, download the QR code and place it on your marketing materials. If you need to change the destination later, just update it from your Unicode dashboard, and the same QR code will still work. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest advantage of Unicode is its simplicity. It's beginner-friendly, and the ability to track scans and update links is a nice touch. But here's where it falls short: price and limitations. The free plan is extremely limited, and even the paid plans can get expensive if you need multiple codes with advanced tracking. There are also more feature-rich options that do the same thing and more for less money. So, if you're serious about getting the most out of QR codes for real estate, I've linked a much better option below. This alternative not only lets you create unlimited dynamic QR codes, but it also includes built-in landing pages and lead capture forms, something Unicode lacks unless you pay extra. And through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, so you can try it risk-free. I've also added a few other great alternatives for real estate marketing that offer better features or pricing than Unicode. Check them out in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.